Welcome to Klein Electronics. Today we'll discuss how to connect push-to-talk earpieces by Klein Electronics to your Poly Rove devices. There are various devices available for push-to-talk with Poly Rove, including the Curl, the Drift, and the Triumph. Poly Rove and Klein have developed products designed for a multitude of vertical applications. On your Poly Rove device, from the menu screen, go to Preferences. Now select Audio Settings. On the menu, select Headset Selection. Finally, locate the product called Klein and then the accessory model number. Now plug in your audio accessory and you'll notice the headset icon will appear. To use the earpiece, press the push to talk button to talk and release to listen.